Paramhansa Yogananda said, sound or vibration is the most powerful force in the universe. Music is a divine art to be used not only for pleasure but as a path to God realization. Vibrations resulting from devotional singing lead to attunement with the cosmic vibration or the word. Singers of cosmic chants who want the best results should chant them alone or with true devotees of God with ever increasing devotion and fervor. After the notes are learned, one's undivided attention should be given to repeating them with deeper and deeper devotion, striving fully to understand the meaning of the words in the chant until one is immersed in the bliss of singing. This joyous feeling is the first perception of God. Words that are saturated with sincerity, conviction, faith, and intuition are like highly explosive vibration bombs that have power to remove the rocks of difficulties and to create the change desired. Five types of chanting are chanting aloud, whisper chanting, mental chanting, subconscious chanting, and superconscious chanting. Subconscious chanting becomes automatic with internal consciousness only. When the mind effortlessly repeats a chant in the background of one's thoughts and activities. Superconscious chanting leads to perception of Om. Superconscious chanting is that in which internal chanting vibrations are converted into realization and are established in the superconscious, subconscious, and conscious minds, holding the attention unbrokenly on the real cosmic vibration Om or Om, not on an imaginary or an outward sound, is the beginning of real superconscious chanting. About Om chanting, Paramhansa said, Om, Sanskrit word symbol of God. The chanting of Om, from which the word Amin derives, is similar to the practice in Western churches of intoning Amin one or more times at the conclusion of a hymn. Om is the basis of all sounds. The Om of the Vedas became the sacred word Hum of the Tibetans, Amin of the Muslims, and Amin of the Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, Jews, Christians. Amen in Hebrew means sure, faithful. Om is the all pervading sound. The great Hindu sage Patanjali said, he who knows Om knows God. Chant Om in the following manner while meditating on the threefold nature of creation, its casual aspect or vibratory manifestation as an idea of God, its astral aspect or vibratory manifestation as light and energy, and its physical aspect, the objective manifestation of the causal and astral vibrations. Intone the first Om with full voice, concentrating on the physical creation as epitomized in the human physical body. The second Om, representing the astral or electronic sphere of creation, should be sung more softly with thought concentrated on the astral creation as epitomized in the electrical energies in the human body. The third Om, representing the causal sphere of creation, should be sung quite softly, with the mind interiorized and causal creation epitomized in man's own power of creative thought. Repeat the chant again and again with deep attention and devotion. Always try to listen for the real Om sound, which is an astral vibration and is only symbolized in the vocal sound of Om that you are chanting.